How to verify your Reddit account and ACE. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the official site of reddit.com. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your specific account, you need to head over to the settings of Reddit. Once you're in this page, you have to make sure that your email address is verified. If not, then try entering the email address again, and then you'll receive one verification code in your email address. You need to copy that code and enter it in the section that you're asked to. After that, your email address will be verified. If it is not working, then the next thing you want to do is open the new tab. In the source bar, search for Reddit customer service. Head over to any one of the site. Scroll down and let me move into this one. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. In this page, scroll down and you'll see the option of Account Help. Click on it. Now you will need to fill up some of the information. In order to do so, select the topic in which you want to get the help. After that, enter the email address associated with your account. Select the issue that you are facing, and in the details section, enter all the problem that you have been facing. You can simply enter that you want your account and ACE to be verified. Once you are done, tap on Submit at the bottom left corner. Now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.